A free and easy way to delete silent parts of video on Adobe After Effects, the VØID silence remover is now improved and better than ever. In order to remove the silent parts of a video with the VØID script, simply download the script from the link in the description. This tutorial is using Adobe After Effects 2020 and a Mac running the Catalina operating system. This should also work on older or newer versions of After Effects on both Mac and PC operating systems. Once you have downloaded the file, you will need to unzip or extract it so you can see the .jsx file. To run this script, you need to launch After Effects. Import the video you wish to extract the silence from and drag it onto the timeline to create a new composition. Highlight the video on the composition and go to File, Scripts, Run Script File and select the JSX file you extracted, which is called VØID Silence Remover, then click Open. The VØID script allows you to choose how many frames of padding you want to keep either side of the deleted silence. Threshold will determine how sensitive the silence detection is. This can differ depending on the particular video you are using. There are also options to remove the silence without ripple, editing out the gaps and inverting the script to keep the silent parts of a video instead. Once you are happy with the settings, you simply need to click Start. The video will process on the timeline and should give you a notification when it is finished. The composition will now contain smaller bits of video stacked on top of each other. When you play the video back, you should have the silent parts removed. If you are done editing your work, you can export the video, or if you prefer can go to File, Export, Export as Adobe Premiere Pro project if you wish to edit it in Premiere Pro.